Welcome to an exploration of AI fundamentals, where we'll experiment with evolving technologies. Come on in as I fire up my computer resources. In this video, a Raspberry Pi 5 base camera will be constructed to experiment with AI vision topics. We will modify a handy Pi 3 case, design and 3D print a camera enclosure, add an SSD memory, and then assemble the enclosure on a simple GoPro Style tripod. Since I had a Pi 3 case on hand, and a Pi 5 layout is similar, it just needed some minor modifications to fit. Luckily, the Pi 5 cooler fit inside, just requiring some extra holes on the top. There was also a need to adjust the side opening for the extra video connector. On the SD side, there was a need to allow for the Pi 5 power switch, and a small bolt was added to the new hole to reach that switch. Using the existing bottom mount holes, an SSD hat was mounted. This required a slight opening adjustment above the SD hole for its cable routing. This will speed up the Pi 5, eliminating the need for the less reliable SD card, providing a significant performance boost. Next, we have to mount the Pi 5 camera module 3. To mount my Pi 5 camera module 3, I borrowed some ideas from Thingiverse. One concept was customized to my design, yielding 3D printed parts in about 12 minutes. Assembly was quite straightforward, along with the mounting to the Pi 5 case. Since an upside-down image results mounted this way, a small tripod was used to correct the orientation. And this is the final result, albeit with a slightly long video cable. The next in this series of videos, we'll share test results and how I use this camera for OpenCV experimentation. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll be looking forward to preparing another one for you soon.